All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. We're going to go ahead and open up right now. Guys, I need you to open up. If you have a folding phone like a Razor or a Z Flip or any of those phones like this is how you should be watching it, and you'll get full screen on this screen. So you just have to sit it down like that and side angle for you, and you'll be getting a full screen display on this display. Top portion of it. So I just wanted to point that out. You guys are not left out. Now, let me show you how to turn on, and this is just an informational video for people who just have no clue as to how to do this, and they've never imported a phone before, just any of that. Just take a look at it. There you go. Just follow along. So this is the China version, better known as, I guess, the international version, because it has the 5,820 milliamp hour battery. And I got to say, just based on what I've been doing with this device, folks, you guys are going to love this battery when you get it, if you decide to pick up this device. So you see all my Google Play services down there. I've got my Google phone app, my messaging app, all these things are now there. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go into settings when you get your device, and then you want to go down to user accounts, and then turn on Google Play services. This will be toggled off. And then after you do that, you want to go into the Honor Store, and you want to search Google, and the first thing that'll come up is the Google Play Store. And then if you want to, you can stay in here and install some Google stuff, but I suggest you just go into the Google Play Store and start search for Google, and then install every Google app that you want to install. They're all here, just like that. So I've installed the ones that I'm going to be using right now. You should install the Google Play carrier services. Do that if you want to. As you can see here, look at the top there. I'm getting 5G. So I went in and just was kind of running this basic speed test here on the browser, just to kind of give you some sense of it. This is running on T-Mobile network, so it is fast, as you can see. So, and this depends on the carrier. I haven't tested it with my Visible or Verizon, but the global version will work on there. I probably will test the Visible wireless SIM in this China labeled the China version, if you will, the international version. I'll test it in here at one point, but right now I'm using it with T-Mobile. As you can see here, the speeds are phenomenal speeds, and the streaming services, everything is good. So, I wanted to talk about that too. But you want to go in and you want to go ahead and install. And it should pick up everything when you pop your SIM card in here. You just pop your SIM card in the bottom there in the little slot, and it should pick up your carrier right away. But if it doesn't, you might want to go in and do your APN settings and make sure you get everything set up right. Okay, I don't know what this is talking about. But when you're importing phones, most people who have T-Mobile, you'll be able to use the phone right away. You won't have a problem with using these international phones. It's companies like AT&T and Verizon that might possibly give you. AT&T will block you right out the gate, pretty much, from what I've seen. And by the way, did you open up, folks? You better open up. But nonetheless, I wanted to give you a quick video on how to set up your Google Play services and get everything set up here. Upcoming video for you guys doing some testing. I want to give you a quick video on this and show you how it's done. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a really quick video. The phone is actually really good, folks, so far. But I will say that this phone is full of bloatware, and when you want to turn on the app tray, you need to go again into settings, and then you need to go down to home screen. And then you want to turn it right here. You want to turn on, where's it at? Tray. That's the layout. I don't know why. It should be here for some reason. I don't know why it's like that. Home screen style. You want to turn on the drawer if that's your thing, because if you don't, you're going to have all of these apps scattered all over the place, and it is a mess, folks. That just changed because I just did the changing of the guards there with the 5x6. So now this will go here, and then here, and then here, and then here. And then I'll move like settings or something over here just to fill that little spot. But yeah, the home screen on here is a mess. I mean, it is stuff everywhere, man. And that's one thing I don't like about some of this software. And it is so much bloatware on here. It is off the charts, man. That's just something that you're going to have to deal with when you're importing these things. So if it'll let me uninstall, it does. You'll be in here uninstalling a lot of stuff, folks. Some of this stuff, man, don't even know. Yeah, I could translate it, but why? So I'll be spending a little bit of time uninstalling all of these things right here just to kind of get this thing going, and so I can have it and use it regularly while I'm testing it out without any of these things popping up here. This is a mess, and this is just one of the downsides of importing. And the good thing about this is at least they're letting me uninstall it. Yeah, sometimes when you get imports, it doesn't let you uninstall it, and that is a horrible feeling. It's a horrible feeling. So some of the things there's a lot of games and stuff on here, but overall, I'm not going to use any of this stuff. I don't even know why. And I guess if you speak the language and you can translate it, then great. But I don't, so I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to take some time to get in here and uninstall all this bloatware. And then have a nice clean slate and start cleaning up. And another thing I don't like about this home screen or this operating system is when you press here, you can't just drag the whole folder away. That's just a dislike right out the gate, man. You should be able to drag this folder and just remove it. You shouldn't have to fight with, each thing in there to take it out and delete it. I don't like that. But overall, folks, this phone is very nice, and I got a feeling the battery is going to kill. It should, with a 5,820 milliamp inside. And this thing, the global version has a 6,000. The China version, I'm sorry, has a 6,100 milliamp hour battery inside. So this has got to be the international, because it says China has a 6,100, and this one says 5,820. And I did check with the channel sponsor, and he says that this is the China version, that the global version doesn't release until the end of the month. So some of you guys were asking where you could buy it from and things like that. Well, if you hit the link in the description, you might have to buy anything. Get your entries in, and you'll be sure to grab something new. You should be able to win something. Like our channel sponsor is giving away a lot of phones, man. This is the Ultra. He's already given away an Ultra. This is the S25 Edge, the Fold 7. I don't know if he's going to do a Flip 7, but nonetheless, you stay locked to that link in the description and follow me on Instagram at Mr. JL Williams. Follow Tech a Day Giveaway on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram also at Smartphone Conversations, and stay locked and in the loop for when it's time to open up, like this video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.